Hello, everyone. Today we're going to watch an English speaking practice between Bushra, a beginner student, and John, a native English tutor. Let's improve our English together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Wonderful, thank you. I'm really, really good. Yeah, today I feel really happy. It's been a good day.
My name is Büşra, by the way. What's your name?
Can you say again for me?
Büşra.
Bushra?
Yes.
Bushra. Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Shanae.
Shorney.
Exactly. Yeah, you said it perfectly. And where are you from, Bushra?
I'm from Turkey.
I love Turkey, actually.
Yeah. Have you ever been in Turkey?
No, I've never been to Turkey before, but I would love to visit, actually. I heard so many beautiful things about Turkey, especially the Turkish tea. I would love to try the Turkish tea.
Yeah, really good. It is.
Amazing. And how has your day been so far, Bushra?
My day?
Yeah.
Actually, my day, today is my working day.
Okay.
This is my lunch break.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Nice. So you're having a bit of a breather.
Yes.
Oh, so nice. Well, I'm from South Africa, Bushra.
Africa, wow.
Yeah. But I'm currently calling you from Portugal.
Portugal.
Yeah. So Bushra, can you tell me a bit about yourself? I would love to know everything. Like from the day you were born until now. Tell me. Go for it.
I live in Izmir, Turkey. I born in Izmir. I
was
live
born,
in Izmir. Yes.
Okay.
I went to Ankara for education. After I come back to my hometown.
I came back to my hometown. Okay.
Yes, I came back to my hometown. Now I'm working.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
And how do you feel about your life so far? Like where you are right now? Do you feel good about where you are at?
Good, of course, but it can be more good, better.
Okay, interesting. So that leads me to ask you the next question. What do you think could make your life better, that you could be happier in your situation?
Actually, I don't know. I don't have a goal, maybe.
Okay.
I want to improve my career. I want to improve myself. Yes.
Well, I think that you already have a really beautiful goal by coming on here on Cambly and talking to me because you want to improve your English. Am I correct?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And what is your reason for wanting to pursue English?
I didn't understand actually.
Oh, that's okay. So what is your reason for wanting to further your English, like to speak more English? Because you're already pretty good. I mean, you can understand me, you can communicate really well, so it's great.
Thank you. I understand good, but when I talk with stranger, I'm answering late. I'm understanding, but I'm answering late.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I totally understand. It's very difficult learning a new language, but it's exciting. I mean, I'm also learning Portuguese at the moment, so it's a challenge. I have a question for you, Bushra, for this lesson. What is the difference between a stranger and somebody who is strange?
Strange is difficult someone.
Stranger and strange. So let's talk about stranger first.
Stranger, someone, I don't know.
That's okay. So a stranger, it's like somebody that you don't know, that you haven't met yet. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah.
Strange is a weird person.
Yeah, exactly. A weird person. And I think to a certain degree, we all find someone weird, but maybe they're not weird to others.
Yes.
Yeah. Like, for example, have you ever met a very weird person?
Yes.
Okay. It's you?
No, no.
Yeah.
In college. Yeah, for me, yes.
Can you say again, you?
Uh, how can I say? I don't know.
That's okay. You can try to explain to me, maybe.
Maybe other people don't see them weird, but I see weird. For me,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, that's true. I think I've met a kind of odd person before.
Mm-hmm.
So, for example, when you go to the beach,
Yes.
what do you do on the beach, Bushra?
What do you do? I swim. I drink something. I talk with my friends.
Okay, exactly. This is normal, correct?
Yes.
Yes, this is normal. Okay, and when you go to the beach, maybe you would wear a swimming costume or a bathing suit
Yes.
or something light that you could enjoy the day in, correct?
Yeah, of course.
Of course. Well, one time I went to the beach and I was there with my dog and we were having a normal day. We were just strolling, walking on the beach. The sun was out. It was hot. It was really hot. And this guy walks past us and he's wearing a black suit, like a full on suit.
Ooh.
Yeah. And I thought it was very odd. And I ignored it. And as he walked past us, he stopped me and he said to me, "Hey, lady, do you know where the ice cream store is?" And he was wearing like dark sunglasses. And it was just a very odd situation. And I felt weird vibes from him. Interesting. So this could explain weird. It's like an odd situation.
Is he swim?
No, he didn't swim in his suit. He was just walking in his suit on the beach, like a business suit.
Mm-hmm.
So interesting. I don't know. Maybe he was stopping at the beach before his work.
Mm-hmm. Yes, maybe about his work.
Maybe. Oh, Bushra, by the way, I have some options for the lesson if you would like. I was thinking we could play a game of like getting to know each other
Okay.
for conversation practice. What do you think?
We can play a game.
Yeah? Okay. So my first question to you is, what is your favorite childhood memory?
I'm thinking.
That's good. It's a long time ago maybe, or it's a short time ago.
Long time ago, childhood, my childhood.
How old are you?
27.
Okay, so we are similar age actually.
What is your age?
Maybe you want to guess?
26.
Yeah, close. I'm 25.
25.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm thinking again.
Okay. Go for it.
One time, me and my brother back to school to our home.
Yes.
It is just childhood memory, not beautiful thing, but
All right, that's fine. Yeah.
just photograph like a photograph.
Oh.
One dog. It's how can I say?
Yeah.
We run.
You were running. Okay.
We were running from dog.
You were running from a dog. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And remember to say a dog, okay? Because our articles of a And the dog, we were running from a dog.
We were running from a dog. Yeah.
Yes.
Dog run, we run. Dog run.
Oh my goodness.
And my brother come into, but we are too small, too young.
Okay.
We are like 7.
Okay, so you were really young. Okay.
We were very young, and he come to one store, like kebab shop.
You came to a kebab shop and the dog was running after you?
Yes, dog run after us. We come to kebab shop and he fall in kebab shop upstairs. My brother, they save us. Kebab shop.
They saved you from the dog?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm laughing. It's not funny. It's actually very scary. Wow.
Yes, very scary. But we don't remember. Never. Every time me and my brother remember this memory.
Oh my goodness, it's very scary.
Yes,
So,
he so much scary. He.
of course, he's now, maybe you would say he's a little bit traumatized.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Do you remember this every time you see a kebab or you go into a kebab shop?
When I see a dog.
Oh my goodness, I actually have a dog.
Oh, no, I like actually, but
Okay.
I don't remember this memory. Your dog now here?
Yes, he's close by. He's not in my room, but he's in my house. He's
Mhm.
very cute. Yes, I think you would love him. He's not vicious.
Mhm. It is big or small?
He's kind of medium size. So he's actually, we would say he's strange because he's not small, he's not big, he's not medium. He's just like, he looks like a little alien dog.
Mm-hmm. Love it. No, I
Maybe.
like the dogs.
Oh, maybe I could show you one day.
I hope.
And what are some of your passions, Busra?
Patience.
Yes, passions is like things that you really love to do. Oh, actually, Pustra, I remember now. I wanted to tell you a story as well because you said that you were running from a dog.
Mm-hmm.
When I was younger, actually, my brother and myself, we also had a situation. We went into the garden and there was a snake
Oh.
outside. Yeah. And so we just ran and I ran and I ran and I ran. And my mom came out and she asked me, like, what's wrong? And I said, there's a snake outside. And then she said to me, and where is your brother? And I said, he's by the snake. And then we had to go back and get him because he's actually younger than me. So he was fine. The snake was gone, luckily. But my brother remembers the story still, and we are much older now.
Scary story.
Yeah, scary story. Yeah, please tell me, what are your passions? Some things that you love to do?
I like everything doing. Not special one. I like my job. I like plants. I like yeah. I have some plants.
Wow, so actually maybe you are a plant mama.
Maybe my grandma is actually very love. Her big patient is plants.
Oh,
Some.
oh, it's very special. So maybe it's a bond that you have with your grandmother.
Yes, yes.
Oh, this is very sweet. And what is your favorite plant that you own?
I own. I'm thinking.
Okay.
We are calling it sardunya and karanfil.
Is there an English word for that?
Uh,
Oh, Bushra, we don't have so much time left. It was so beautiful to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Have a good day. See you again.
You.